Natural gas continues to consolidate. This is Chris from FXEmpire taking a look at the natural gas markets. It looks like natural gas markets are going to be comfortably consolidating going forward, as although we are testing the highs, at this point in time, I don't know that much has changed. It doesn't look like we're going to break out of the consolidation area, so really there's not much to look at here. Ultimately, if we do break higher, and by higher I mean well above the $2 level, then things change drastically. At that point, you could see the beginning of a much bigger move higher. Whether or not that actually happens remains to be seen, but I certainly think at this point it's what bulls are waiting on. In general, I think between now and the next super spike, you will probably see a lot of consolidation. And this time of year is typically not very bullish for natural gas anyway. So at that point, I don't really worry about it too much one way or the other. Granted, it's probably worth noting that I have natural gas investments in an ETF, so I don't have to worry about leverage. And therefore, the day to day fluctuations don't really stress me out that much. Ultimately, we've got a situation where traders continue to look at this through the prism of an oversupply situation, and there most certainly is. But we do have a tight range between about a $1.50 and $2 that is somewhat compressing the market into a nice little predictable trading range. And if that's going to be the case, then I think you've got a situation where you have to take advantage of it if you are short-term inclined. However, don't use big positions. I do favor the upside simply because once we get below $1.50, the drillers will just simply leave. And then eventually you'll have a massive spike. I don't think that happens, so I think what we got here is just a market killing time. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video.